going on, guys? Triple Warrior here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a Grand Valkyrie unboxing. So let's get into it. I'm gonna tear this open. Oh, that's different. I kind of already unboxed it because that my other phone would have enough storage, but it didn't. So here's Grand Valkyrie. Here's the black Zenith disc. And I have no idea what this driver is. So if anybody could tell me what this driver is, it would be a big help. So I'm going to be doing a couple of test battles with it. And of course, it's only going to be against my Valkyrie Phoenix. Because, yeah. Oh, it's a dash driver. Its teeth clicked so well. Alright. So yeah, I kind of sort of unboxed it already because I thought my phone would have enough storage, so I'm recording on a different phone. But there's Grand Valkyrie, and there's the bear it'll be facing, Valkyrie Phoenix. Now, of course, Phoenix will be launched first. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! There's Phoenix, here's Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, one-shot burst. Only because Phoenix is a defense type. Where did the driver go? The driver's all the way over here. The thing is so loud when it battles, though. Just trust me. If you're not one to like noise, it's loud when it battles. Here's Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And here's Valkyrie, go shoot! That was a mislaunch on me, because I'm the only one launching, obviously. Getting my armor back on for Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Jeez, I cannot launch tonight. It's been a while since I've launched. Alright, let me try this one more time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, jumping on top, Valkyrie. Oh, it's going crazy. It's going crazy. Valkyrie's going crazy. Okay, it doesn't have much stamina, but it's got some good attack power. I think. Yeah, like I said, it doesn't have much stamina, but that first initial hit did one click to Phoenix. Or just, not to the armor, to the bay itself. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Dude, big hit by Grand Valkyrie. Alright, battles will be first. I just woke my dog up. First to 3 points, I meant. Because all my battles are first to 3. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh. I'm going to take a mislaunch on that. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! There's Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! There's Valkyrie with the big hits. It sounds like he's getting big hits. Ooh, he just needs to outlast him. And I said the only beta that would be battling was against my Phoenix from TT. But it's going to be battling against those two betas as well, so. It's going to be battling against, this is Phoenix from Hasbro. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Now here's Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! That's a big hit! That's loud and it's fast. That's crazy. Alright. Warno? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Well, there goes the Hasbro's armor. I don't know where that went. Oh my god, it went over there. Well, the armor went all the way back there. Okay, it looks like that Phoenix is too powerful for my Valkyrie. But that was an insane hit. hit was massive. Alright. Gonna be battling against Cyclops now. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh man, it's going absolutely insane. It's probably, yeah, it's done now, It doesn't make a good initial first contact, it's done. Oy. There's 1-0 for Cyclops. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, it's 2-0 for Cyclops, jeez. Need to train this thing. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, big initial hit. Ooh, the Grand Valkyrie's going crazy. Oh. Yes, Valkyrie actually won. Alright, it's 2-1. Valkyrie's losing. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, my bad on the missile launcher. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh no. Come on, Valkyrie, you should get bigger hits, just in general. Oh. Yes! Alright, there's 2. Oh, it's tied up, 2-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, Valkyrie did not hit! No, and it went in the pocket. Well, I guess that'll be it for this video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.